We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Tap the icon on your home screen or apps menu to open TikTok. Upload a TikTok video without any music. Use the video recorder to record the sound you want to use on TikTok. Tap the plus, record or upload a video, tap next or the checkmark icon.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.